Hey, my friend DK here, CEO Infinity with myEcon. And no, this video is actually not about myEcon. It's about JIFU. And I need to do a part two of why we originally left JIFU and made that shift over to myEcon. See, a little while ago, I posted a video about why we left. And, when you go to JIFU here on YouTube and you just do a search for it, it's actually one of the top videos that comes up because people wanted to know and understand the reason why I made that original video in the first place is people wanted to know, hey, why did your team leave JIFU and then, move to a different business? And that is myEcon. Hang till the very end if you want to see more about that, what we do, what we're all about, everything. I'll leave an end card here at the end of this video. You can click on that. But ultimately, why did we leave JIFU? Why was that, at the time, a really great opportunity? Why did we leave? That first video, if you want to see it, I'll leave a link in the description down below. You can check it out. But part two, reason number two in this video that I want to get into is handcuffs. I want to talk about specifically handcuffs. And that was one thing that in the beginning, we were told by the top people, the top brass at JIFU that, we basically had our ability, our freedom to get out there on social media and market the business however we want. We actually, had met with the CEO and said, "Hey, this is our style. This is how we do things. We're not old school belly to belly marketers. We actually get out there and we, create content. And that content is what builds our teams. And that's actually what we teach. And, we've proven this, years in the industry, building teams of thousands and thousands of people using this exact model, which is a very popular model right now, is building your business on social media versus the old school 1985, let's do some home meetings and three-way calls. Those days are, very much in the past. So when it comes to, this video here, what is causing this is I'm seeing more comments here on my channel here. People are commenting on that very first video saying, "Oh, wow, I didn't know. I was surprised. This, kind of caught me off guard," type of thing. Or, "Wow, you're right. I've actually had people text message me from that video saying, yes, you're right. I understand why you left." But, in this video here, I'm going to drop it right here. Excuse me there, hit my microphone. I'm going to drop it right here so you guys can see it. I've actually gotten two of these emails over the last week. Now, I have not been an active affiliate with JIFU for several months, but they're still sending me emails saying that I'm non-compliant. And these are the things that when we met with the CEO, is actually their former CEO when we joined over a year ago. He said, no, you guys can kind of go do your thing. You're not going to get in any trouble for that. And here we are a year later, and they're trying to slap me with compliance about making content. And the funny thing is, I have not been an active affiliate with JIFU for a long time now, many, many, many months, probably at least like maybe 5 or 6 months now. And they're still now trying to come at me with compliance, trying to keep the handcuffs on me, saying, "Oh, no, you can't say that in a video. You can't do this in a video," thinking that they can actually hold me accountable. Freedom of speech. I get to say whatever I want on my own YouTube channel. And that is the beauty of this, my friends. That is the beauty of social media, is we can express our opinions in any way we want. But according to JIFU, they're like, "Oh, no, you can't say that." Well, who gives a shit, because I'm not even in JIFU, but here they are still trying to take my content down, or they want me to remove my content over something that I said literally 10 months ago. So, reason number two of why JIFU is just not a good fit for, me, our team, how we build and grow our teams and our business these days, is we get out there on social media and we tell the truth. We tell people, "Hey, what's up? This is why we made this decision. This is why we do this thing. This is why we promote this. This is the compensation plan. These are the facts. This is the data." We get out and we share that information with people. They can decide to like it or not like it. And JIFU is saying, "Oh, no, we don't like what you said. Take it down." And, to me, honestly, it's just laughable because, one, we were told, you guys can, go create the content that you want. You guys, no handcuffs. Feel free to go market however you want. we went ahead and did that, and now they're trying to go against what they said, and they're trying to turn around and hold us accountable. And they're trying to hold me accountable when I'm not even an active affiliate. So it's just really interesting. So again, the reason for this video is, the emails that I've been getting, the questions and comments that I've been getting on my other video. Again, if you want to watch that, link in the description down below. Go check that out if you want. But it's just data, my friends. We make the decisions we do with our team to get our team members the best results possible. That's initially why we had moved on from JIFU onto myEcon, so we could help our team members get more results, make more sales, make more money. And that's ultimately what it came down to. And now it looks like JIFU is trying to come after me, saying, "Oh, whoa, 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 you got to be careful what you're saying," even though we were told we could say what we want. So it's just it's you decide what you want to do with that information. I am simply just providing it to you. So hope you got value from this video. If you did, if you made it to this point in the video, do me a favor, go ahead, smash that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so you get notified anytime I upload new content, either about myEcon, about making money online. Maybe I'll throw another JIFU up video out there. Who knows? Maybe I'll get another compliance email. I don't know. Don't really care. Hashtag not caring. Sorry, not sorry. I make videos and talk about what I want to talk about, and it's the beauty of the internet, my friends. So thank you for watching. I appreciate you. If you want to learn more about me, our team, myEcon, how we give you over $11,000 in free value just for partnering up with us, I'm going to leave an end card right here on the screen. You guys can go ahead and click on that. Thank you for watching, my friend. I'll see you on the next one.